I get it started, and I look back, and some idiot's coming straight up behind me and was gonna run right into the back of me. I'm on my way to South Dakota, looking at S10 pickup. It's gonna take a while to get there, but I've seen this pickup on Facebook. It's a 91 extended cab. It's supposed to have 123,000 miles on it. Guess when I get there, I'll look her over and see if it's worth the crap. Well, I made it to Ottawa, Iowa. If you want, we can stop. They can see them. There's a drag strip up here too. But it's 8 mile. It's supposed to be quarter mile, but they never turned it into a quarter mile. No casinos for us today, unless we decide to stop on the way back, but I'll be broke when we come back. Well, we made it to Sioux City, or Sioux City, big old flag over there. We got a couple miles outside of town and the wind started picking up like mad. I mean, you can see the trees hustling over there. It's like the wind's blowing about 40, 50 miles an hour, and it feels like it got colder. Need to stop up here for a pit stop. Been driving too long. Drink a little bit too much water. We're gonna get off the next exit up here. Take a break. Well, we made it to a Pilot gas station. I parked away from the building because this thing's so damn long. But I stopped closer to home and got gas, and of course the pumps were kind of crowded. I was backing up to get out because I couldn't get out the pumps without doing an 80-point turn, and I ended up backing into something. Suppose I ought to look at the back of the truck and see how screwed up it is. Well, look at the back of the truck. See how screwed up it is. Kind of glanced at it when I walked by, and the only thing I seen is that must be where I hit it. Kind of bent it in. I took a bar and bend that back. I figured it smashed the whole back end. That's all the more it did. That's nothing big. All I know is it's colder out. Take a little break here. Got me something to make some more water and something to snack on. So. And it is definitely colder. The sun's going down. I gotta be up there by 5 o'clock, I think. What it is. Probably getting close to, I don't know, it's 4:30 yet or not. Well, it's time to head up to Elk Point, South Dakota. Got to turn the heat on, maybe. I gotta get out of there, the hood, turn the heat on. They didn't show that, but I put a switch under the hood because the heater controls don't work. Oh well, we're gonna head up there now. Get out of here, back on to Interstate, and head north. There you can kind of see it again. We're driving right beside the Missouri River up here. We're a little ways anyways, and then we'll head more north and the river will hit off to the left of us there. We are now entering South Dakota. We got a few miles to go. I think it's only like maybe 15, 20 miles. We have made it to Elk Point. This is where we need to get off of the exit. I know as we're moving right along up here, speed limit's 80 miles an hour. And it's clouded up and it's colder than crap. Night and day difference from being back there in south of Sioux City. Just hope maybe I'd miss this cold weather, but I think we're gonna get stuck in it because the high for tomorrow is only supposed to be like 8 degrees. When I started out, it was damn near 40. Well, I got the truck loaded. I was gonna show it, but it got dark on me. The guy didn't show up till it was dark. He had it in an enclosed trailer, but anyways, we're on our way back. I'll have to stop in Sioux City and get some gasoline, fill the truck back up. little bit at the gas station in Sioux City where it's light out. Well, my running 80 mile an hour ain't working too good. I got a couple semis and a roadblock in front of me. Probably only going 60. I was gonna show the 80 mile an hour speed limit sign, but there's one back a ways, now another one's coming up. Well, he's passing this guy. Maybe we can get it going a little faster. Well, I missed the exit I wanted to get off on, so now I'm further south. I'm gonna have to backtrack. Stupid exits up here. Oh well, we're gonna go back to the gas station up there unless there's one down here. I don't see one. Okay, now we're headed back north. Nothing like backtracking, but we're getting off the same exit as I did before to get rid of some water. Now I need to get some fuel. I should have known better because it seems like every time I'm up here I always miss the exit to get off at this gas station coming from the north heading south. This is the cheapest place to get gas. We need gas. Alright, made it to the Pilot gas station again. Get some fuel and shut her off here. I have to shut the blower fan off under the hood. I'll show you that. I don't know if you can hear it, but the blower fan's still running, so I need to get out and unhook it, or not unhook it, but shut the switch off under the hood. If I can't see it, there's my switch. That's off. We'll have to get back in and hook that up. There's the truck. Windy as crap out here. Truck coming from Virginia. Let's have a rust hole there. Windy out here. Go over here, it's not so damn windy. It can blow away over there. I'm gonna go in and get some gas or pay for it, and I'll be back. Yeah, I got some gas. Apparently they're blasting music out here, so they'll probably get in trouble for copyright, but I'm gonna put some gas in. Alright, time to turn the heat back on. The damn wind is brutal, ripping my hood off. Hopefully the hood stays shut. Frickin' wind. Yeah, that wind is so brutal going in the north, it's starting to rip my hood. There goes some trash. Got a trash barrel lid out there. Look, the wind's moving. It's probably 40 mile an hour winds. Oh well, time to head back home. Starting to frickin' snow. Hoping I can avoid this bad weather. I know it's supposed to snow, but we are quite a ways north of where I live. So, I mean, you can see the snow. Why it's foggy looking. Frickin' snowing. Oh well. See if I can make it home. They're in a weed. I don't know if you've seen that flying by. The only good thing about the wind kind of blowing to the south is how it pushes home. Well, we have officially made it back to Council, Kentucky. Excuse me, I mean Council Bluffs. Now we're gonna have to navigate through town here. I'm gonna find me something to eat. Yeah, here to side, see flashing lights in Council, Kentucky. Got another one coming. We got more flashing lights in Council, Kentucky. Fire truck. Person is ambulance. Somebody's in trouble. ain't me, I don't care. That was scary as hell. I'm at a gas station right now. I ran out of gas. Just over there on the highway. It's about where the, I don't know what you call it, the turn lane. Of course, I couldn't make it to the gas station. I had to run out about 500 feet from the turn lane where you go or come to the gas station. So I hopped out. I had 5 gallons of gas with me. I hopped out, dumped the gas in, and of course my stupid hazards didn't want to work, and I didn't really want to leave the park lights on because a lot of idiots don't pay attention to anything. They just look for park lights or tail lights ahead of them. Well, I kept shining my phone back at traffic just in case somebody, you know, I didn't want anybody to run in the back of me while I'm standing along the road. So I finally hop in the truck, I get it started, and I look back and some idiot's coming straight up behind me. It was gonna run right into the back of me. So I started flashing my lights and then he swerved off. I mean, he almost ran into the back of me. Whoever it was, dumbass idiots. Need to pay attention to what the hell's going on inside the road. Didn't help that I was sitting there, but that was scary. Next, all I need is some jackass running in the back of me. He's probably drunk or something too. Anyways, I need to put some gas in. And hopefully I make it home without anything stupid happening. The way things have been going today, I don't know what to say. Hood's trying to come up. Ran out of gas. Had to wait I don't know how long for the guy to show up with the truck. It's always something, an adventure. I need to get some gas in this thing and get my ass home. Yeah, it's in such a hurry to get back in. I just left the jug on the back here. Fill that up, put some gas in the truck and get the hell out of here. It's getting cold.